Yo, I think it's currently, wait, 11:38. I have been sleeping a whole damn day. I'm so tired and sick. I think I have flu and a headache and my body hurts. And just the urge to keep sleeping. Like I have so much, what do you call it in English?
Bombastic side eye.
Like literally like right now I'm saying this and I just wanna close my eyes and go. And I have things I need to do today, but I think I'm gonna cancel it today. But today's the 12th and tomorrow is supposedly my orientation, so I can't be sleeping. Hey y'all, let us make my very first rest meal. But first, I'm a bit sick, so I might probably cough the whole time. Let me fetch my other phone for music. Yeah. Let's get into it. So guys, I've been very broke. It's literally my first rest meal. My mom hasn't sent me any allowance yet. She said she's gonna send it today, and we use 2 different banks, so I'm gonna have to wait a bit. I am contemplating between rice and spaghetti because I'm going to cook. Oh shit, I'm going to cook chicken livers. We don't even eat this at home, but I have nothing against chicken livers because I've cooked them once here on TikTok. So we're gonna search for a very easy recipe and see what we can do. Here's what I have, and I'll probably ask for aromat from my roommate. And I think I'm gonna eat rice because I've been eating a lot of noodles since I arrived in Cape Town. So I think this is just gonna make me think of noodles and just not eat. So putting this back in the oven, in the cupboard. We don't even have ovens here. I'm gonna show you guys a rest tour, and I think I'm gonna start outside. Yeah. Anywho, let's get into the video. Let me put on some music. I don't know, I'm feeling black today. I am feeling black. The person that you guys call 6 leg, he does not like anything. And then in his one song he says, let me put it on. Go babies, go babies. I was actually listening to that song. Go babies, go babies. I mean, like, when I have a shower, I need some, like, good music. Not good music, like, trash, but good music. Because I wouldn't say this is like good music, like shower music. I was just in my zone today. In my HOE zone. Heaven over earth. Heaven on earth. Yeah, I mean, it sounds more better when you say heaven over earth. I really want to go to heaven as soon as possible. So God, if you are watching this, okay y'all, listen to this. my name is Black, and sometimes people call me Six Flag. I don't mind because they're silent, and my bank account is looking like fire. Winding down for the winding ground. So when I come and try, I get messy. You can be my biggest secret. I ain't sliding if you didn't, baby. You do have to. I got on Sundays, sometimes on Wednesdays. Really depends, but you. You're currently working with these two chords, no? But who'd have thought it'd take me ages? I ended up here cause my till you make it you. You're in love with somebody else. Baby, one more time when I pull up the shit. And the same when I look in your eyes. Baby, please don't be shy. Show me around. Don't leave me out. This party was talking about me. Wait. Girl, you gotta go hard. Don't leave me out. Psych. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do, boy. I forgot to have the X-Men name stop calling. You know, I wish I could turn this into this. Maybe if I eat it with my eyes closed. Colorful hypnosis. Colorful hypnosis. Wow.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, you're moving in another direction. Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down.
I just wanna take you there.
Female rap, girly girl hot. All I wanna hear is yes. Of course. It's the cake, it's the cake. You're nothing as delicious.
Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy from South Detroit came on singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Move so fast to hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda do, but way too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you're from different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope. If you know I can't get no fucks, you know with all the rugged have you. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep.
Let's put that. What's new? Cool. What's new? Go bang, bitch, a midnight bitch. I'm not toxic, I'm ready.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just lovely.
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you.
Me, just love me.
If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. I got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on deck.
myself.